Welcome to the Audit System, Power BI Reporting Suite, your centralized dashboard for smarter audit oversight and decision-making. Built on Microsoft SharePoint and powered by Power BI, this solution transforms your compliance data into actionable insights. Let's take a tour. Step into the Audit Reports dashboard, your centralized command center for tracking audit health across your organization. Explore beautifully designed, interactive visuals that provide a comprehensive bird's-eye view of audits conducted over the last 30 days. Effortlessly filter and analyze audits by status, mode, assigned personnel, and location to get the insights you need. Whether you want a quick snapshot or a deep dive, every critical metric is just a click away, empowering you to stay informed and proactive. Stay ahead of non-compliance with the Overdue Audits dashboard. This view highlights all audits that have missed their deadlines, clearly visualized by status and categorized by assignee. A detailed table view lets you filter, drill down, and act fast where it matters most. Shape. Next up, the Audits Due section. Your proactive alert system for upcoming audits. Receive timely notifications for audits still within their scheduled timeframes, but not yet completed. Stay ahead by tracking approaching deadlines, managing workloads by location, and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Want to see how your teams are performing? Step into the Score Reports view for a clear breakdown of audit results. Easily analyze average scores by location, audit type, or assignee, and celebrate top performers with a spotlight on the top 10 highest scoring audits. With quick access menus for all audits, My Audits, and audit templates, you're always just a few clicks away from what matters. Powerful filters, clean visuals, and intuitive design make navigating this system as seamless as your compliance should be. Audits can be created with or without templates, scheduled for multiple locations, and include stages from setup to results. Once complete, audits are view-only, with reminders via Outlook and email. Backed by Power Automate, the system sends smart notifications, reminders 15 and 5 days before audits, alerts for overdue items, and updates for any schedule changes. It even syncs with Outlook, adding events straight to your calendar. Shape. With the audit system's power. BI integration, you don't just track audits, you own the process, enforce standards, and drive accountability. Experience auditing like never before. Data-driven, intelligent, and future-ready. Shape.